Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Abhirup De, your stock market trading and investment coach, and this is your channel AVD FinServe. You are watching Stockexpress, which runs every Tuesday and Thursday, and here in every episode we analyze the market and try to find out few profitable stocks for your swing and positional trading. We also review the performance of the stocks which we already identified in our previous episodes, and accordingly we update our short-term and mid-term portfolio which we are building here for you in the Stockexpress playlist of our AVD FinServe YouTube channel. Right? So without wasting further time, let's start our today's discussion. But before that, please note whatever being discussed here is only for case study and education purpose. Do not apply this analysis into live market without having proper trainings, guidance and risk management protocols, right? Okay, now let us quickly go to our chart and let us first see how the market is doing, right? Okay guys, so right now we are in the chart of Nifty 50, and if you can see for last few days, in fact few months, market is being really in zigzag, or we can say in a choppy mode. It's sometimes going up, creating a gap, and again sometimes coming down, creating a huge gap, right? So last few days also we are seeing the same thing. Yesterday market was around 16,800 level, 866, but today again it was opened as a gap up and it closed around 17,201. okay, and market is now exactly near the 200-day moving average, and it will be important to see whether market goes up from here or face the resistance at 200 level moving average. Okay, if you can quickly see the retracement status, then it's showing us that market is exactly near the 50% Fibonacci retracement support. Okay, it has taken the support from here in going upward side, but let's see how it goes, and tomorrow we need to watch whether the market is going up, crossing the 200-day moving average, taking support from there, or it further goes down, right? Okay, so this is the portfolio which we are maintaining, and every day after our session I am uploading this portfolio to our Telegram channel. If anybody is still not part of our Telegram channel, the link is given in the description, so you can check the link and join the Telegram channel. You will get the daily live market update in the Telegram channel, along with this our Stockexpress videos, our playlist, and all other information will be there in the Telegram channel. Okay, so I will strongly suggest everyone should join the Telegram channel of AVD FinServe, and you can remain connected with us. Okay, so far whatever the stock we have discussed here, first of all HDFC, we kept it under observation. It was the last update on 21st April, last Thursday. Okay, MHRL, we already booked the profit on 19th April. Bharti Airtel and Bank of Baroda also we discussed, and we have kept under observation. Okay, so let us go to the chart of one by one of all these stocks, and let's see what will be the update of the status as on today. And we will also add 2 more stocks here, and we will try to see whether we can take entry on those 2 new stocks. Okay, let us first analyze our old stocks. Okay, this is the HDFC chart, and as per our portfolio tracker, our entry will be at 2260, right? Let us quickly check. Yeah, it should be greater than 2260, but current market price is at still below 2260. In fact, it is 2225. Okay, so let us again see here. What is showing as per the Fibonacci retracement, and here we can see it is already went far below the 50% retracement level, when in fact it is crossed down to the 0.786, and we can see HDFC is already on oversold zone. Okay, so maybe HDFC can make few days time pass here. It can move around in this level, but very soon it is expected to take support and cross the 2260 level, which will be our entry. Okay guys, so let us quickly update the tracker. As on 26th, we are still waiting CMP at 2225, and we are still waiting for the proper entry to come. Okay, now let us see Bharti Airtel. Okay, Bharti Airtel has started little bit moving towards our direction, and as per our tracker, it should move up above 760. Okay, it's standing at 756, and if we quickly check the high of this candle today, it is 758. You see here, guys, anyone beginner here, you see that these values which are changing along with my cursor. So I am keeping my cursor on the today's candle, and it is showing H as 758.85, 759. So it was the highest. So it is still not crossed 760, and we should keep our patience. Okay, we should not be in hurry, because once this 760 level is crossed, then Bharti Airtel will be moving towards a strong bullish journey. We have to wait for that. Okay, so let us again maintain our tracker. On 26th April, we are still waiting for the entry to come, and the current market price is 756. Okay, we are very near, but still we have to wait to cross that level. Okay, our next stock is Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda, if you remember, we have already mentioned in the tracker 120 is the level. So it has just started moving upside, and the volumes are also showing little bit high, the positive side. Okay, you can see in the below side the green bars are be getting little bit taller, so the volume is coming up here. Still we need to wait to the perfect level to come, so that we can take an entry in Bank of Baroda. Okay, so it is still the same, and it's at 115 is the CMP as on 26th April. 115. Okay, and we are still waiting for the perfect entry to come. Okay, so these are the quick analysis of our previous stock, which are already in the tracker, and we have put all the stocks into our observation. Okay, now today, guys, we will be adding 2 more stocks, and hopefully let's see in the chart whether we will be able to take entry on these stocks or not. So today is 26th April. Okay, and our first stock will be BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL. Okay, so let's quickly see how this stock is doing. So we can see in the chart that BEL is nicely moving towards the upside, and here it is just trying to cross the resistance level. Let us quickly see the weekly chart. Yeah, you can see the weekly chart also, it is trying to cross an important resistance level. And how it is showing in the monthly chart. Okay guys, you can see. Okay, so it was the previous resistance level at 194. It broke that level and consolidated for few months here, and now on this month, 1st of April onwards, it started moving up. Okay, so we are in a position, I think we are in a good position, because it is taking a support from the 10-day moving average. Yeah, and we are in a good position to take entry in this stock. Okay, so let us take an entry here in BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited. So current market price is 250 to 50.45, and we are taking entry here at 251. Okay, and our stop loss will be below this candle, because from here we can see the buyers has pushed the stock toward the upside, so we can keep 237 as our stop loss. Okay, you can also calculate as per 2% or 3% down from your entry point, and that will be your stop loss. Okay, and our target we can place by 1:2 ratio, risk and reward ratio, so it will be near about 290. Okay, let us put the target as 290. Okay, so today's first stock we have taken BEL, an entry we have taken at 251 level. Stop loss, if it goes towards the opposite direction and doesn't work for us, then we have to stop at 237 level. Okay, and if it goes towards our direction, then our target will be around 290. Okay, so the next stock which we are going to analyze today, that will be Escorts. Okay, so let's see the chart of Escorts, and you can see Escorts was moving bullish direction here, and in between, in the month of November end till March end, it was running in sideways. It was consolidating and running in sideways, and after that it got some retracement, and again it got a bull run. Okay, and again retracement has happened. Last few days it is again consolidating here. Okay, now we can see it is in an important position and is trying to take support from 200-day moving average, and it is expected to go up from here. Okay, let us quickly check the weekly chart, how it's showing. Yeah, weekly chart also showing the same. It has went up, then consolidated, then had retracement, and right now again trying to get the reversal. Let us see the monthly chart also. Yeah, for monthly chart it is taking the retracement. Let us quickly apply the Fibonacci level here, and we can see, yeah, interestingly we can see it has taken support exactly from 50%. It started moving upside. Okay, so we are going to take entry also in Escorts today. So current market price is 1605. Okay, so 26th April, Escorts, we are taking entry 1605. We'll be taking entry around 1606. What will be a stop loss? our stop loss will be below this candle, that is 1529, or let's say 1530. 530, and the target we can set here as per the 1:2 ratio, risk and reward ratio. We can put the target near about this level, 1740. Okay, escorts we can see here, it's a stock which it's lot of volatility and the volumes are also good, so it's create quite a good amount of candles with long candles both side, bullish candle and bearish candles are both are, so we can put our target here as 1740. Okay guys, so we have taken entry. We have analyzed two new stocks today on 26th April, that is one is BEL and another is Escorts, and both of the stocks we have taken entry. We have calculated our stop loss and we have also set our target. Okay, so we'll see in coming days how these stocks are performing, and accordingly we will book our profit, or if it hits our stop loss we have to book our loss as well. Let's see how it goes. Okay, and we also analyzed our previous stocks, HDFC, Bharti Airtel, Bank of Baroda, and we have updated our this portfolio tracker. And as I said earlier, I will be uploading this portfolio tracker to our AVD FinServ Telegram channel. So whoever is not part of the channel, I have given the Telegram link of our AVD FinServ below in the description. So join that channel and stay tuned with us. Okay guys, that's all for today. Hope you are liking these episodes of Stockexpress. If yes, then please like and share this video as much as possible. Also click the subscribe button so that you get this channel listed right there into your YouTube list, and it will be easy for you to find me out whenever you open YouTube next time. You can follow us on Facebook page and join Telegram channel by searching AVD FinServ. Links are also given in the description. If anyone wants to open Demat account for trading, please find the link of Zerodha in the description, right? Okay guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned with AVD FinServ, earn financial freedom and live a better life. Thank you very much.